Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to show you some plants in my room that are growing nice and update. And I did see on my channel just fall a lot of views, and I decided to make this video spontaneous. So here I have a moss of bamboo that growing in a huge pot, and I bring it inside in the end of November, and now have not any grow since then, since last update, but it's beautiful, and I think the new shoots will grow in the springtime. So look at it, lovely shoots here, awesome. But actually I can see a new shoot here, but in summertime will grow a lot, not like in winter time or stuff like that. And here I have a coffee plant, a beautiful one, which I repotted and growing but slow, because it's a little bit cold in my room, that's it. And I have again dancing plant, I had it in the past, and this was grow tall, almost like me. As you can see, I cannot see any movements on this leaf because it's a little bit cold and it's not the season, but it's beautiful, did grow, and I waiting for bloom to make some seeds. Also my banana plant doesn't look very happy, but it's in winter time, and I should repot the soil, the potting soil is old and so looking didn't grow anything, but anyway. And here it is a beautiful plant, Scrumungera truncata from Lin, and it is very beautiful plant, has some new leaves growing, and but will bloom next year, I think, so we'll see. And I have another that I have from 2016, and it was in bloom, and I just to show you when it was in bloom. The flowers did ended already, that's it. Also a carnivore plant, let me show you. Here you want to bloom, or that is amazing if this is a flower. And did grow some new leaves and stuff like that, awesome. And I use just sterilized water, that's it. And surprise from the orchid, as you can see here, new spike growing. This I found random, I save it, and now it is a surprise because I have a spike. And here the pineapples looking beautiful. I have about 3 pineapples here, awesome. This is more big, amazing. And also I have in bloom African violets, here 2 colors, as you can see this one, very beautiful pink, and also beautiful this color as well, purple, awesome. They looking happy on the leaves, as you can see, nice. And the ficus elastica doing well, growing new shoots, and this grow is awesome as well. This aloe, amazing. The next update on the banana plant, Cavendish, this one, and looking better this, but anyway growing slow now, And here I have a coffee plant, coffee tree Arabica, with coffee beans. Let me show you. As you can see here one, awesome, and another one is right here. As you can see, the coffee looking okay. This is old. As you can see the steam, and the baby coffee plant, and some flowers, goldfish they are called, and I put them here, growing nice. As well, here I have California poppy. As you can see, it grew from seeds from a friend from California, and his name is Todd. Hi Todd, if you see this video, awesome looking, waiting for bloom. But in the springtime I will plant these plants in the garden and then will bloom 100%. And a passion fruit behind it, as you can see, looking good, but I have another one. And let me show you on the windowsill. In general, it's looking okay, but I don't know why these leaves turned like this. Anyways, as you can see, all the leaves are doing very good. And the mango tree, as you can see, so beautiful. New grow here, but slowly, very slowly growing in this time of year, and it's cold. And I have zamioculcas here, beautiful too, no any grow. Also here is albizia doing okay, and the avocado tree, the small one, young I mean. This spider plant doesn't look good at the moment, but it will be okay. I've overwatered it too much, and I will have to propagate this plant. Also, I have a plant called physalis, and it have here a physalis fruit, but this branch, unfortunately, I have to cut it or put it here. Okay, I will put it here under this, and we'll see. After that, should not broke. So looking. And let me show you beauties here, some different varieties of cactus. You know, this variety, it is so beautiful, as you can see. And did grow from seed, this one. This is Ochinopsis oxygona. I got it from a friend about almost 15 years ago. But not this one, but variety. This I grow from seedling seeds. Amazing looking. And this is Echinocereus gentry, and this is Mammillaria spinosissima. As you can see, so beautiful looking too. Also, there are growing coffee plants, which I reported in the live stream, and the live stream I will do tomorrow as well. And I put it here around the banana plant, and also banana plant growing too. Now let me show you, but growing very slow. And here is when you grow, but don't want to focus. Anyway, we'll see. Also behind this moso bamboo, I added another moso bamboo, another young one, here unreported, and we should see new shoots in the springtime. And also a jade plant, about 4, as you can see here I have, and the pineapple, awesome. And this is Lucky bamboo versus real bamboo, as you can see. Love so much these shoots. And my bamboo, which I bought, golden bamboo, I placed it in the kitchen, and I noticed many leaves did fall, but I think it's okay for it. Also, as you can see, the spike growing, amazing. An avocado tree, growing slow, but it's okay. Also, I have a beautiful cactus seedlings, which are Mammillaria bekebergiana from seed, and as well from lean. Amazing looking, brilliant. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video of update on my plants in my room. That's it. Thanks for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. As well, you can subscribe to my photography channel, and the link is in the corner and in description. Bye bye.